In this quick Windows 11 tutorial, I'll show you how to turn boring yellow folders into clean custom icons that look modern in 2025. First, right-click the folder you want to change, then click Properties at the bottom of the menu. In the Properties window, go to the Customize tab at the top. This is where Windows hides all the folder style options. Now at the bottom, click Change Icon. You'll see a list of built-in Windows icons you can use immediately. Select any icon you like, then hit OK, and OK again. Watch the folder instantly update with the new design on your desktop. That's the basic icon change done. Next, let's use your own custom images, like brand logos or color-coded folders. To use a custom design, you'll need an ICO file. Many icon packs online already include .ico, or you can convert PNG images to ICO with a trusted converter. Once you have your ICO ready, right-click your target folder again, open Properties, and go straight back to the Customize tab. Click Change Icon again, but this time hit Browse, and navigate to the folder where you saved your custom ICO file. Select your ICO file, click Open, then OK, and OK once more. Your folder now uses your own custom icon design. Repeat this for any folder to create a clean, color-coded system, perfect for work, school, or a polished YouTube setup. If this helped, customize a few folders right now, then save this video so you can refresh your icons anytime on Windows 11 in 2025 and beyond.